Sutan Raja Hotel is a 4-star plus hotel in North Sulawesi. The hotel is about 15 minutes from Samratulangi International Airport and about 13 minutes from Bitung Port. The hotel has 124 rooms with a restaurant, entertainment club, karaoke, spa and massage, swimming pool, tennis court, wedding chapel, convention center, ballroom, and 6 meeting rooms, and also have a spectacular views and a garden for private parties and outdoor activities.
Hi everyone, we are from Group 3 of 6A Class International Business Administration. Now we are going to present a presentation about the implementation of Total Quality Management in Sutan Raja Hotel. But first, let me introduce our group members. The group members are Dian Artanti, Michelle Kaunang, Soya Pandalaki, and me, Elizabeth Ratu. And now let's start from introduction. Total Quality Management, or TQM, describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. Sutan Raja Hotel's TQM implementation by members participate in improving processes, products, services, and the culture. In this assignment, we did an interview to know the implementation of Total Quality Management in Sutan Raja
Overview
Hotel.
of Sutan Raja Hotel. Based on interviews that has been conducted in Sutan Raja Hotel, we got some information about the implementation of Total Quality Management on their company. So, Sutan Raja Hotel performs standardization based on existing laws. The hotel also provides BPJS facilities live-strike. The hotels itself also provide comfort for the employees and considers the employees not just workers, but also a family to them, to ensure the welfare and comfort of the employees. The hotels always tries to satisfy customers with the service they provide, but there are some things that cannot be avoided. For example, the hotel established a health protocol and has set limits on the body temperature of anyone who will enter the hotel area. And if anyone has exceeded the applicable regulatory limits, it is with a heavy heart that the hotel must prohibit them from entering the hotel area.
TQM implementation serves the purpose of achieving business excellence, which eventually leads to customer satisfaction, increased profits, and higher production for the organization. Total Quality Management is the continual process of detecting and reducing or eliminating errors in manufacturing, streamlining supply chain management, improving the customer experience, and ensuring that employees are up to speed with training. TQM implementation factors. The first is top management commitment. Top management commitment plays a vital role for implementing a quality management system. Perhaps the most obvious similarity among the various quality advocates and their program is the consistent insistence that management by actively involved with and committed improving quality with the corporation. The second, customer focus and satisfaction. It refers to the measure of how products and defined as the number of customer or percentage of total customer who reported experience with a firm, its product or its service exceeds specific satisfaction goals. Next is quality policy. The organizational cultures need to be modernized on a continuous basis to encourage employee feedback. A quality policy is a brief statement that aligns with the organizational purpose and strategic direction, provides a framework for quality objective, and includes a commitment to meet applicable requirements. Next is employee training. Effective training and development of employees have been observed as an important part of human resource management. Training considered as a vehicle for applying and reinforcing total quality management practices. Training and developing leads to employees better understand on quality-related issues and improve their role within the quality management approach. Thus, effective training and development equip employees with knowledge, skill, and abilities for constructive contribution to quality. Next is employee empowerment. The success of TQM implementation is facilitated by employee empowerment and involvement in the company. Additionally, it stimulates employees to offer better job quality and contribute more in new business process and therefore observed to be a crucial factors. Therefore, managers should motivate and encourage employees to take responsibility, authority, and communicate effectively to improving the quality at all aspects of work. This will change the balancing feelings of employees to their company. Recognition and reward. It is present in a work environment where there is appropriate acknowledgement and appreciation of employees' efforts in a fair and timely manner. Next is communication and information system. So, communicating in a good way allows that total quality management to be more approachable, leading to reduced one's fear. And good communication is like the cement that holds bricks of the total quality management process. Benchmarking. It is referred to the process by which an organization measures their products, service, and practices against its most difficult competitors, or those organizations recognized as leaders in the same industry. For continuous improvement, it is the plain, organized, and systematic process of continuing incremental and company-wide change of current practice mean the change to change company performance. These key factors refers to an organization ongoing quest for better work methods and organizational processes.
So after we did an interview at Sutan Raja Hotel, we are able to identify all the factors of the TQM implementation that has been implemented in Sutan Raja Hotel. So there are the factors. First is the top management. To ensure the welfare and comfort of the employees, the top management performs standardization based on existing law. And the hotel provides BPJS facilities and also provide comfort for employees and consider employees not just worker but a family. In terms of regulation for service, there are SOP that have been established by the hotel. But more than that, the hotel always try to serve customer as much as possible with all their heart. And the second factor is customer focus and satisfaction. As far as possible, Sutan Raja avoid customer dissatisfaction from the beginning when they come or visit Sutan Raja Hotel. The hotel always do recapitulate the overall evaluation at the end of the year and compare the result of the evaluation per month sequentially. For example, the result of the evaluation in January will be compared to February, and the result of February will be compared with the next month, which is March. And the hotel always try to make customer comfortable when using their service. The hotel believe that if they serve customer with a wholeheartedly and make customer comfortable with their service, then the customer will come back again and use their service again. And the third factors it calls quality policy. In order to achieve the company goals and improve their quality, Sutan Raja do some strategy like dominate the market, follow the development of modernization, and boost on the sales. And the fourth factors is employee training. Sutan Raja Hotel itself is currently not conduct a training for a while because currently there is a COVID-19 pandemic. So the training has been temporarily suspended, but before the COVID-19 pandemic, the hotel provide trainers to train worker every 6 months, and usually after conduct a training, the worker will go to the field and later the hotel will pay attention whether the training is useful or not. And the fifth factors is the employee involvement. So employee involvement in improving the quality of the company will be assessed and viewed from their respective each supervisor. So the sixth factors is employee empowerment. So Sutan Raja Hotel provides some activity that can develop the employee's skill by conduct a training for them and also motivating by give a reward at the end of the year. And the seven factors it is reward and recognition. So the hotel will provide rewards to employee depends on the employee performance. And the reward given are various such as groceries, materials, or other things depend on the team decision, and the reward will be given at the end of the year. And usually reward will be given to employee in the form of basic food assistance or in the material form. And the 8 factors it is communication and information system. So the hotels holds a meeting every month, which is called a general meeting, where the meeting is used as a means to measure idea and thoughts and strengthen the ties of togetherness between the employee and the leaders. And also in the meeting, Sutan Raja employees can seek the solution together when there is a problem happen. And the 9 factors it calls benchmarking. So Sutan Raja hotels sees their development and performance by seeing how many visitors stay at their hotel. And the advantage possessed by Sutan Raja themselves are that they serve sincerely and friendly to the guests who come, and they also have some of the facility that they have to prepare for their guests, such as swimming pool, a gym, and they also have a large enough convention hall. And the last but not least factors is continuous improvement. One of the obstacles that hinder the company's development is income for operational development. In the current pandemic, hotels are making adjustments to workers. Using alternative vacation method, during the current pandemic, Sutan Raja Hotel are required to comply with the health protocols provided by the government. So, visitors or guests who have a body temperature above normal must refuse the guests to enter the hotel. So that's all the TQM factors that can be implemented in Sutan Raja hotels. And after we got this information from Sutan Raja Hotel by conducting interview with the human resource management, we were able to summarize the main barrier in implementing the TQM. So Sutan Raja have a lack of the income because the effect of COVID-19 pandemic, and they have to carry out some policies for some of their employees due to circumstances that do not allow.
And for the last, we move to conclusions and recommendations. Sutan Raja is very concerned about the satisfaction of their customers and fulfilling the needs of customers who stay at their hotel. In this case, there are some factors that influence TQM implementation in Sutan Raja Hotel, such as top management commitment, customer focus and satisfaction, quality policy, employee training, employee involvement, employee empowerment, rewards and recognition, communication and information system, benchmarking, and continuous improvement. For the recommendation, Sutan Raja Hotel can make more promotion and information through interactive media, in social media such as Instagram or Facebook, and through radio and so on. And for the internal recommendation, Sutan Raja do some renovation on their room and some other facilitation and keep customer loyalty.
So we are from group 3 and we just want to say thank you for your all attention and see you on the next video. Bye.